Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I am finally dyeing my hair purple. Yes, I have been dreaming of this for a long time now. I've always wanted purple hair, but I never really had the balls to bleach my hair and permanently dye it. I'm trying to limit as much chemicals on my hair as possible, and you guys know I am on a healthy hair journey, so I want my hair growing long. So today I will be trying the hair paint wax. So I've been seeing this around the internet lately, and I purchased mine about 2 weeks ago, and I got my dream color in the color purple. It looks blue on camera for some reason, but it is purple. Oh my goodness, why does it look blue? So the hair paint wax is a safer alternative to bleach and permanent colors. It's temporary, you can wash it out instantly, and it doesn't have any damaging ingredients in there. It's basically just wax, coloring. It has castor oil, it has fragrance, and a few other things. Cetyl alcohol, which is a moisturizing alcohol, as we know. So I will be testing this out, showing you guys how it come out and how I like it. Oh my goodness. It actually smells really familiar. It smells like Dettol. I don't know if you guys ever use Dettol. Okay, so this is how the product looks. It's very thick in there. Okay, so the consistency is a thick, pasty consistency. Okay, so I decided to just do a flat twist out with the hair color. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a flat twist out with the hair color. So I put some twisting cream in the cover. This is the Cream of Nature Honey. And I will be putting this on top of it and then twisting my hair down so I can have a beautiful twist out after I put the color. Oh my goodness, look at my hair. It feels really moisturizing, surprisingly. I thought it would be super dry. Okay, so this stuff feels really moisturizing. It reminds me of a butter. It is really, really nice, guys. So as you can see, my hair is super soft, even after applying the product. Wow, the color is just so instant. I'm in love already. I need to get all the colors. And the most important thing, this stuff is like safe. Oh my goodness, this is such a revolutionary product. Little goes a long way. You don't really have to put a lot on your hair. Okay, so this is a water-based product, so your hair does get damp when you put it on. That's why I would really recommend, if you use this, to put your hair in a style at the same time. I can't believe my hair is so vibrant. The color is just so rich. I can't believe this is not bleached. This is crazy. Okay, so I'm all done twisting my hair. So far, I am loving the color. I love this purple, even though it's showing up blue for some reason on my camera. So nothing got on my shirt because my hair is really short. So this is how my hands look after washing it. There is no staining on my hands or my nails. My nails are super crispy clean. Okay, so it is the next day, and today I will be taking down my twist to see how the color held up. So far my hair still looks super purple, so the color does hold up on the hair well, as you can see. So last night I did cover my head with a satin scarf, and I didn't get any transfer on my pillow. And when I went to bed though, my hair was really dry. My hair was like almost dry anyways because I did my twist early in the day. Okay, so I don't think it was a great idea to wear a white shirt taking this down because I'm getting all kind of like colored dust falling on my shirt. Okay, so my final review is that this product is very heavy and waxy, especially after taking my hair down, and it does leave my hair with a very dry appearance, but I feel like it's because I used a little bit too much on my first time, so next time I will basically try to focus on using it as a highlight versus just drenching my hair with that product. The product does rinse out easily, so I did end up washing my hair that same day after coming back home because my hair was just feeling super gross, but it does rinse out really easily. There was no staining to my hair, and I did use a sulfate-free shampoo. And another thing I noticed is that it did irritate my skin a little bit because I got a little bit of that product on my scalp. I was trying to avoid my scalp, but I went overboard and forgot. So some did get on my scalp. So if you have sensitive skin, definitely focus it more on the ends of your hair and do not use it close to your scalp or your edges. So that is my final review on the hair paint wax. I do appreciate the color it get. I will give it another try next time, but I would definitely use less product. And this product is very heavy. I wouldn't recommend it for like relaxed hair or like straighter, wavier hair types. This is more for kinky hair because this product is super heavy. It's water based, so it does revert your hair if your hair is already styled as well. So definitely like this video if you found it helpful. Leave some comments down below if you have tried it before or if you plan on trying it, and subscribe for weekly videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.